Did you know that some fragrance sprays and home fragrances may have toxic chemicals? Some home and body fragrances may contain synthetic chemicals that can irritate your skin or even harm your health, like phthalates, artificial fragrances, and allergens. But don't worry, you don't have to give up smelling amazing. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a completely natural and calming lavender vanilla body spray. This DIY spray is not only free from toxic ingredients, but it's also super easy to make. Plus, it smells incredible. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need. 10 drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing and soothing properties. 5 drops of all-natural, organic vanilla oil. 1 tablespoon of witch hazel, a natural astringent that helps blend the oils with water. 3 ounces of distilled water to keep your spray clean and fresh. And, of course, an empty spray bottle. Glass is ideal, because in this channel, we are completely plastic-free. Now that we have everything we need, let's go ahead and start making our fragrance mist. Start by adding your essential oils to the spray bottle. That's 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of all-natural, organic vanilla oil. These oil drops are the body of your fragrance, so use a glass dropper for accuracy on your drops. These two scents together create a perfectly balanced, calming aroma that is also naturally long-lasting. You can experiment with increasing your oil drops if you like the fragrance to be stronger. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of witch hazel. This is a key step. It helps the oils mix with the water and enhances the spray's refreshing feel. Finally, add 3 ounces of distilled water. Once everything's in, seal the bottle tightly and give it a good shake. Remember to shake it before each use to keep the ingredients blended. And there you have it. Your own natural, non-toxic lavender vanilla body spray. Just a few spritzes are enough to help you feel relaxed and refreshed throughout the day. Why settle for synthetic fragrances when you can create something this pure and effective at home? Try this recipe and let me know how it works for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY and healthy living tips. See you next time.